Eman. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Nanlalatay, pati announcer. Jacinto, Moya, takes. Rebound by Bondok. Bondok, dribble the ball by Bondok. Dapat lumagan ka na. Bondok is looking for a teammate. Pass to Juarez. Juarez to Flores. Flores.
10 second shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock. Still by Flores. Oh, Dorigo. Third personal foul by Dorigo.
Put naman yan.
Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Eman. Eman to Jacinto.
10 second shot clock.
Low. Flores. Flores. Drive by Flores. Flores. Juarez. Juarez takes. Rebound by Jacinto. Jacinto Flores. Flores takes. Whoa. In and out by Flores. Gray ball. Moya. Wow. What a nice pass by Flores to Moya.
Dagger.
43-39 in favor of blue team. Dorigo dribble the ball by Dorigo is looking for a teammate. Dorigo. Suarez. Takes. Flores. Rebound by Jacinto. Oh. Passing to the window. Flores. Dribble the ball by Flores. Flores pass to Dorigo. Dorigo takes 3. Dorigo 3 points.
All counted pa? All counted.
Foul counted. Yeah, 3 points plus 1. Wala pa pala.
Retro.
Jacinto. Rebound by Jacinto. Moya. Moya drive by Moya. Moya. Rebound by Dorigo. Juarez. Blue ball.
8 minutes.
Blue ball. Dorigo. Flores. Flores gustong tumira ng 3 ni Flores. Dorigo. Again. Juarez. Juarez. Moya. Flores. Dribble the ball by Flores. Flores. Takes. Oh. 2 points by Flores. The score is 41-46. Jacinto take 2 points. 43-46 in favor of blue team. Only 3 points. Bondok dribble ball, the ball by Bondok. Bondok takes. Rebound by Jacinto. Moya. Moya. Dorigo. Ilan siya? 3 points by Dorigo.
7:06.
7 minutes. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Jacinto. Jacinto, drive by Jacinto. Jacinto takes. Rebound by Bondok. Juarez. Juarez, drive by Juarez. Flores. Dribble the ball up. Eman, pass to Flores. Flores takes. Rebound by... Who's foul? Bondo.
6:30. 6:30.
6 minutes and
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Eman is looking for his teammate. Eman.
14 seconds.
Great ball. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to Prades. Prades takes. Moya. Moya takes. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bondok.
6 minutes.
Bondok dribble the ball by Bondok.
6 minutes.
Time is 6 minutes.
5 second shot clock.
5 seconds shot clock. Manyalak take 2 points by Manyalak. The score is 51-43 in favor of blue team. Eman takes 3. Eman 3 points. 51-46. Dorigo. Dribble by Dorigo. Dorigo pass to Bondok.
10 second shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock. Flores takes 3. Manyalak. Isa pa. Moya. Flores.
Bumba yun ah. Galing nun.
Flores. Drive by Flores. Oh. Muntik na.
Dalawang shot na yun.
New style by Mr. Flores. Bondok. Dribble the ball by Bondok.
10 second shot clock.
Bondok is looking for a teammate. Pass to Manyalak. Manyalak takes 3. Moya.
4:40.
4 minutes and 40 seconds. Prades. 2 points by Prades. 48-51. Only 3 points.
4:24.
4 minutes, 24 seconds. Dorigo. Rebound by Jacinto. Eman. Pass to Prades. Prades. Flores. Dribble the ball by Flores. 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 Flores to Flores. Flores. Flores to Flores. Flores brother. Ayos ba?
3:58, Rog.
3 minutes and 58 seconds left. Dapat pala brother. Manyalak. Bondok. Dorigo. Rebound by Moya. Jacinto. Eman. Flores take 3.
English. 3:30.
Air ball by Flores.
Time out.
Who's timeout? Timeout. Blue team.
3:36.
Blue ball.
3:36 ah. 3:36.
3 minutes and 36 seconds. Riles dribble the ball by Riles. Riles. Pass to Juarez. Pass to Riles.
10 second shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock. Dorigo, Riles, Moya, Jacinto, Prades, drive by Prades, Flores, Eman takes 3,
Malas.
rebound by Flores, again, Eman takes 3,
Nata.
rebound by Juarez.
250.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. Juarez. Triple double by Juarez. Juarez is looking for a teammate.
10 seconds.
Juarez, 10 seconds shot clock. Dorigo. Traveling by Dorigo.
2 minutes 35.
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Tararara, biling! Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Oops.
Tama daw sa pader.
Blue ball.
Blue ball. Bas.
Time.
226.
2 minutes and 26 seconds left. Riles. Dribble the ball by Riles. Riles is looking for a teammate. Riles.
Delikado itong oras mo.
Lifting the ball.
2 minutes. 17 seconds.
2 and 17 seconds left. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Moya, Flores take 3. Moya, rebound by Moya. Eman. Juarez drive by Juarez. Juarez takes. Oops. Rebound by Moya. Flores. 1 and 50 seconds. Jacinto drive by Jacinto. Jacinto takes.
Oh.
Moya. Prades. Takes by Prades. Oops. Foul by Manyala.
134. Dito ka ba?
1 minute and 34 seconds. Timeout, Gray team.
134 ah.
1 minute and 34 seconds.
I don't think so. Sir, English? No, I don't.
1 minute and 34 seconds left. Flores. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. 1 and 30 seconds. 1 and 29. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to Jacinto. Flores, drive by Flores.
1 minute 18 seconds.
1 minute, 18 seconds.
Tama ba nun, Sherwin? Lahat ng ano? Hindi, ba ano naman?
Score is 51-48.
110.
110.
14 seconds shot clock.
40 seconds shot clock. Bondok.
8 seconds shot clock.
8 seconds shot clock. Dorigo takes 3. Dorigo again. Rebound by Eman. Eman, 2 points by Eman. Score.
51 seconds ah.
51 seconds.
51.
Score is 50-51. Juarez. Pass to Bondok.
Parang kiti-kiti si Bonsai. Oh.
35 seconds.
35 seconds.
Ilan ba?
50-51. 1 point only in favor of blue team. 34, 33, 32, 31.
Gray ball.
Gray ball.
28 seconds.
28 seconds. 17 shot clock. 28 seconds, 17 shot clock. Flores. Dribble the ball by Flores. 25 seconds. 24, 23. Moya takes. Rebound by Bondo. Foul by Flores.
16 seconds.
16 seconds left. Outshoot out yan. Manyala. Pass to Riles. Juarez. Oh!
Out of bounds.
O timeout by
12.2.
10, 9, 8, 6,
5 seconds, ha?
5 seconds.
Wala pa penalty. Pang penalty. 5 seconds, 5.1, ha?
5.1. No. 4 seconds. 4.1. One more.
Sunod, penalty na. Oh, ito. 4.1.
Three, two, one. Speaking the line.
0.08.
Steven,
0.08.
congratulations sa team.
Congratulations.
0.08, ha?
Juarez. Blue team. Congratulations, blue team.
Wala, malas talaga yung ano.
Wala talaga.
Calculate.